Amazon is selling a DIY backyard guest house. There are endless possibilities for this project. And for the more experienced DIYers, there's an even bigger project that's just waiting to be built for those daring enough to try. How about an entire guest house for your backyard? After an internet frenzy sold out this particular model, the DIY all-wood Sovala garden house is back in stock and better than ever. If you're not quite ready to move your entire life into a tiny space like this, never fear, you can convert it into a guest home, a studio, a garden house, a pool house, or really truly anything your heart desires. Plus, you can purchase all the parts and instructions on Amazon. At a mere 172 square feet, the tiny space is compact enough to accurately fit, but still has enough room to be useful, whether it's used for storage or for pure fun. In the description, the plans say that this tiny structure can be built in way less than a day, in 8 hours to be exact, when 2 adults team up for the job. If you want to add anything extra like HVAC or electricity to this DIY home, you'll need to do that yourself. Other than that, feel free to paint the wooden structure and decorate as you wish. This tiny home is yours to customize.